Hello lovelies, today I share my instant native jollof rice. Very tasty and easy to make. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To begin, I added palm oil in my saucepan and allow it to heat up. I will proceed by adding my blended peppers. In there, I've got mixture of onions, bell peppers and tatashi. I will give it a good mix and add my locust beans, fresh curry leaves, chili flakes and seasoning cubes. I will mix thoroughly and allow it to fry. Next, I will go in with my smoked fish, cooked cow skin, boiled egg, fresh prawns and grounded crayfish. I will combine thoroughly and allow it to cook on a low heat. You guys, this sauce right here is delicious. Next, I will go in with my cooked white rice. I will combine thoroughly and our instant native jollof rice is ready. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you and always be positive. Bye.